Hey Code Rookies, this is Omar. For today we're going to practice how to do some JavaScript, specifically with prototype, the prototype method, using this, and maybe one more kind of higher order object-oriented style of programming because it can be pretty confusing. So for this particular example, we're going to make a warrior, like a fighting game, and we're going to use whatever warrior attributes to make new warriors. So let's go ahead and begin. First things first, we're going to have our function. Ignore that. So let's just do this. Okay, so function. We're going to call this warrior, and it's going to take two parameters. One will be the name of the warrior, and then the HP, or the health points of the warrior. And because every warrior is going to have a name and HP, we're going to use this dot name equals whatever name you put in here will go into here and be saved into this dot name. And then this dot HP, again, whatever HP you give your warrior will go and be stored into this dot HP. Next, what we want to do is add a prototype to this warrior function, meaning this is our base function, and we can add different things into this function pretty easily. So what we do is do warrior.prototype dot status. We'll call this is the name of the function, will be status. And this is going to equal, move that out of the way. So it's going to make a function. Okay. And oh wait, I forgot the parentheses. Okay, now. And what we'll do is we're going to see what the status of our warrior is. So if HP is less than or equal to 5, let's say 5, so less than 50% of their health, then the message will return badly hurt. Right? And else, if or otherwise, if the HP is greater than 5, oops, then return doing well. All right. So again, so we made our function of warrior right here with a name and an HP, and we're going to add another kind of like another sub function to warrior called status. So now let's go ahead and actually make our warriors. So we're going to make it, it's going to be a variable, so var. Name of our first warrior is going to be Cartman. And for Cartman, it's going to be a new warrior. This is kind of the syntax that you have to use. It's pretty self-explanatory. He's a new warrior. And his name, again, will be Cartman. Put it in quotes. And it says HP is 10. Right? And now, of course, he has to fight someone. So he'll fight Stan. New warrior. Stan. And let's say he's hurt. So let's give him a 4 of HP. All right, and that's pretty much it. Then you can just console log. You console log the warriors to see how they're doing. Because we want to see how they're doing, and this is how they're doing, right? So we need to add this. So basically, Cartman and Stan is this part right here. They're the warrior prototype, and we want to specifically find out their status. And because status is a function, we have to put the parentheses right there. Same with Stan, right there. and let's see if this works. So what I like to do is just to copy, just for the purposes of this tutorial, copy, and I like to go into the Google Chrome's About Blank console, paste that in there, and as you can see, Cartman status, doing well, stand status, badly hurt. And yeah, and that's it. So, and then, you know, you can just paste, you can change this to, maybe you can change this to 10, and keep that the same. Doing well, doing well. So yeah, that's it. That's how basic use of functions with this in order to save anyone's information. So, and to be able to use it again and again, and adding a prototype, adding a sub-function to the base function, and how to tack that on whenever you want to actually see what it does. All right, hopefully that wasn't too confusing. I know these things can be really confusing, but I'll try to do some more JavaScript and jQuery type videos in the future. All right, that's all. Hope you learned something, and see you on the flip side.